Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, it is our great honor to have on the show this time in person. And we welcome the Queen of Reggae, Miss Marcia Griffiths, OJ ODCD, Commander of the Order of Distinction.
Wow. Now, I'm not even sure what to call you, Commander. What I don't even know. Okay, so you are celebrating 60 years in music. That is amazing, first of all. 60 years. Did you ever think that you would still be spreading love from the stage, from performing on stage with Byron Lee in 1964 until now? Did you think that?
Absolutely never had a vision that I would have been sitting here 60 years after I walked on stage for the first time, before every one of you here were born.
I'm like,
can you imagine? And I'm here with you all.
Yeah.
I'm so thankful.
And we are thankful. Thank you for your legacy. Thank you for your talent. Thank you for your discipline and your everything to still be here, still be relevant, still be awesome. Thank you.
It is a tremendous honor to be here, to be able to talk to you like this. We just played Electric Boogie, which we can't speak enough about, but we would like to know a little bit about the origins of it. Tell us how this project came about.
This is a very interesting story, and I love, so many people have different concepts and ideas. Where they get it from, I don't know, even on social media. But originally, I three, Judy, Rita, and myself, we performed in Toronto. And of course, this is a male-dominated business, or was, I should say it was. We performed there, and 9 out of 10 times you are not paid as a woman. So this particular performance, we got 700 Canadian dollars each.
Then, wow.
And Canadian dollars.
Don't want 700, no, yes.
Yes. So anyway, I went downtown in Toronto, walked in the store and saw this rhythm box. It's like a keyboard, but it had every sound, every beat, and I just fell in love with that box. I bought the box for maybe 300 and something, took it back to Jamaica, and Bonnie Whaler and myself go way back. And he was visiting me one evening, and I showed him the rhythm box, and I found a particular sound called the repeater. It's a piano sound. And then there was a beat, like a boof, baf, boof, baf, and then the repeater sound just locked in with that beat. He loved it, and I loved it. He recorded that sound, took it to Portland, came back the following day with the song. And we never sleep on it. Everything was just so spontaneous. We went in the studio, called in Sly Dunbar, Glenn Brownie, and we overdubbed everything on the foundation from the rhythm box.
Wow. And
hand claps and 10 different keyboard parts from the rhythm box. And the rest is history.
Wow.
I voiced it right there and then. It was released, went to #1 by Christmas 1982. By December, it was #1 on the charts.
Wow, that is amazing.
See why it's so important to invest back into your business?
In other words, out of evil cometh good.
Amen.
Because we never got paid, but that little money was invested, and it turned out to be such,
such a legacy.
A hit song. Yes.
So you spoke earlier, you said there's not a lot of women at the time in the music business. However, now we have young women in music that's doing amazing work. We have persons like Leela Ike, we have Savannah, we have Shensia, and there are many more who are getting their
So
do you have some inspiring words for them?
I honestly believe right now it's 50-50. And I am so happy when I can sit and hear maybe 90-something% of these young female artists call my name to say that I was their inspiration.
Absolutely.
I think this is one of my greatest achievements in my journey. And I give thanks when I can sit back and know that all these, and this is one of the reasons why I have all these female on my show, upcoming show in November 3.
Yeah.
because we have a special tribute right there.
Beautiful.
And
Awesome.
Say no
yeah.
more, because we want to talk about it after the break. Yeah, what's going on?
Yeah, man, we're gonna come back with much more from Miss Marcia Griffiths, OJODCD, after this. Super.